Sam. I hope you're doing well. I should probably watch your video from yesterday, because I haven't yet. Canada's. I'm so glad that you shared that with me. This is not a pin, it's an embroidery needle, but I have this thought in my head. Oh good, Jeff, you get to witness this.
What are you doing?
This is America dancing on the top of a pin.
What?
I wanted to talk to you today about cats and chores. I guess I didn't so much want to talk about those things. Rather, I would like to show you those things. Thank you for your $1, baby.
Should I do it later?
No, you can do it now. In fact, I timed it to get you in the background because I'm talking about chores.
Chores.
We have definitely been doing the splitting of housework. Jeff's been doing a lot more chores than when I was living here before I got a job. And I really appreciate it, baby.
Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work. So I asked Jeff if I wasn't sleeping in the bed and he was, if he could make the bed when he gets out of it. And he tried. There was an attempt. Did you try to make the bed this morning?
Part of me did. I think I made half a bed. I think I made like your side because that's the side I got off. I'm like, I'll get the other half. And then I went to work.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened. I thought it was really cute. And also, cats.
Segway!
Me and Jeff played a rousing game of put stuff on the cats, and I'd like to show you that if we have enough time in the vlog, which I think we do.
Yeah. Harsh and mellow. Oh, it's harsh and mellow.
You don't see how it's gotten up though.
Like a sea lion.
Snickers can't be bothered. I don't know, putting stuff on Snickers would be nearly as successful.
Well, you know.
Only one way to find out, I guess.
Mm-hmm. This is bleeding into science. I know. Here you go. That's fun, isn't it? It's gonna scare her. Watch it fall off and scare her. Oh. Rambled. Little kitty house.
Covering the cat in terrible DVDs. I don't know, X-Men First Class was pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
After Earth was just horrible.
Yeah. I can't put them directly on top of her.
No. She emerges.
You ruined your home.
Is it okay if I could show it to the internet?
That's fine.
And cat. Shinji, do something entertaining for the camera. Oh, that was very good.